Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of foldable PCs with the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold 16 Gen 1. His innovative device promises to revolutionize how we interact with portable computing. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk design. The X1 Fold 16 is a marvel of engineering, featuring a foldable OLED display that measures a whopping 16.3 inches when unfolded. It's a sleek and stylish device, constructed with quality materials like aluminum and a textured fabric exterior. But it's not just about looks. The X1 Fold 16 is also built to last, with a solid hinge and robust craftsmanship. Now, when it comes to usability, the X1 Fold 16 offers multiple modes of operation. You can use it as a traditional tablet, unfold it to use as a laptop with the included Bluetooth keyboard, or even prop it up with a kickstand for hands-free viewing. Plus, the inclusion of the Lenovo Precision Pen adds another layer of versatility, making it a dream for creatives and professionals alike. But what about performance? Well, the X1 Fold 16 packs a punch with its Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a speedy SSD. Whether you're multitasking, editing documents, or streaming videos, this device handles it all with ease. And let's not forget about that stunning OLED display, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks for an immersive viewing experience. Battery life is decent, lasting around 7 to 8 hours depending on usage, and the fanless design ensures quiet operation without compromising performance. Plus, heat management is on point, with patented graphite panels dispersing heat evenly to keep things running smoothly. So, is the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold 16 worth the investment? Absolutely. Despite its hefty price tag, this foldable PC offers a unique blend of portability, productivity, and performance that's hard to beat. Whether you're a professional on the go or a tech enthusiast looking for the next big thing, the X1 Fold 16 delivers in spades. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and tech insights here on Product Critique.